Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukia's kitchen. Today I've collaborated once again with Laltia and Cook with Rania. I'll be making rice mixed with greengrams. In Swahili we call it wali wa dengu or wali wa pojo. Laltia will be making this tasty jasmine rice with stir-fried meats, and Cook with Rania will be making this amazing vegetable rice. If you haven't subscribed to their YouTube channels, please kindly do, so you don't get to miss any of their videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy our recipes. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of garamasala, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 glass of washed basmati rice, or you can use any other rice that you like, 1 glass of water, 1 glass of thick coconut milk. I have boiled green grams. I've boiled them a bit, they're not too soft. Then you're also going to need a half a teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 large slice of onion, and lastly some salt to taste. In a medium large pot, you're going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil to heat up, then add the sliced onions and cook the onions till they start turning color. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and give a quick mix. And followed by 1 teaspoon of garam masala and a half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and cook for at least 1 minute. Then afterwards, you're going to add your washed rice. I've used 1 1/4 glass of basmati rice, and you're going to mix it for at least another 30 seconds. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 glass of water, 1 glass of thick coconut milk, and sprinkle a bit of salt, and mix everything well, then cover to let the rice to cook. Once the rice starts to boil or to cook like this, lastly, you're going to add the boiled green grams and mix everything well and slowly, then cover once more to let the rice to cook till the rice is well cooked and the water is completely dry. Once the water starts to dry, open the lid and mix the rice once more and slowly, then reduce the fire and let the rice to cook till it's completely dry. So after 10 minutes, my green gram rice is ready and nicely cooked and the water is completely dry. Mix it well before serving it. And my green gram rice or wali wa pojo or wali wa dengu is ready, as you can see in the video. Like this rice, it's so tasty, and enjoy your green gram rice. And my tasty green gram rice is ready, as you can see in the video. I've served with some tamarind chicken and some chili. The recipe of tamarind chicken is already on my YouTube channel. I'll put the links in the description box so you can be able to check out how to make this tamarind chicken and enjoy your green gram rice. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please don't forget to watch vegetable rice from Cook with Rania and jasmine rice with stir-fried meat from Laltia. I'll put the links in the description box so you can be able to check out these recipes. And please don't forget to subscribe to their YouTube channels so you don't get to miss any of their videos each and every week. And see you next time. Bye bye.